Hey, it's Money Sloth, and in this video I will show you how to buy a stock on Webull. On the home page here, if you go up to Trade, you can click the Trade button, and then you can go to this Unlock button and enter your trading verification. Once you enter that passcode, it will show you your net account value. Mine is $113 right now, and it'll also show you the number of day trades you have left. And then here at the top you can enter the name of a stock that you would like to get. For this example, I'm looking at a stock called Torchlight, and to add this to my favorites I'm going to click this star to add it to my watch list. I see that Torchlight is going up really high today, so if I want to buy some stock, I'll go down to this box where I can place an order. I can click the buy button and then select the order type. There are a couple different types. For this example, I'm just going to do a regular market order. That means whatever the price is right now is close to what I'm going to be buying it for. Alright, so I've got $67.88 of buying power. That's the amount of money I can use. So if I say maybe 10 shares, that's going to cost me about $27. So once I enter the share number, I'll just place order and click buy. Now if I choose to sell these 10 shares later today, that's going to count as one day trade. And since I have less than $25,000 in my account, I can only do 3 of those every 5 business days. That's how you buy a stock on Webull. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.